high desert sand is cold against my skin tonight, while memories of you both dance in the pale moonlight. My brother, the narrator, with a voice like rolling thunder, you spun tales of ancient kings that filled my world with wonder. Your laughter was a wildfire, bright and uncontained. Now it's just a ghost note within this heavy rain. We shared a bloodline and a rhythmic beating heart, but a quiet disconnect was tearing us apart. And we're dancing in the desert rain, wild and free, just like the music that used to set us all at liberty. I'll scream your names until the canyons start to cry beneath the vast and lonely reaches of the western sky. Day by day, step by step, I'm finding my own way, keeping your stories alive in everything I say. My sister, the firefly with a captivating glow, you had an energy that only the broken truly know. You were my best friend, the mirror to my soul, but the cracks inside of you were taking their final toll. My biggest heartbreak was watching your light go dim while I was hummed a melody, a bittersweet little hymn. We were three chords in a sequence that never reached the end. A brother, a sister, and the child left to descend. And we're dancing in the desert rain, wild and free, just like the music that used to set us all at liberty. I'll scream your names until the canyons start to cry beneath the vast and lonely reaches of the western sky. Day by day, step by step, I'm finding my own way, keeping your stories alive in everything I say. I walk the canyon floor where the silence is so loud, searching for your faces in every passing cloud. The disconnect was a chasm we couldn't seem to bridge. Now I'm standing all alone on this rocky mountain ridge, but I carry your laughter and your spirit in my chest, giving your tired souls a place to finally rest. Step by step, I move through the storm, keeping the memory of your voices warm. Day by day, I'll speak your names aloud until we're dancing again. Beyond the silver cloud, I'm still here, and I'm